Hello, I'm Joseph, and I serve as the marketing uh, manager for Metro Ride app that we are currently using now in Liberia. We came across Unico Taxi Company, and they produce an excellent app similar to Uber and Lyft. It is incredible. It has been doing everything that we wanted and even more. And so we highly recommend Unico Taxi app to you as you consider them for your taxi business. We are very pleased by the results and everything that this app has to offer. So if you're thinking about using them for your taxi business, we highly recommend them to you. Thank you.